In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this Honda Civic. It's located right behind your glove box. We do have to pull that out for this. So if you need this or any other part for your car, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. Open up the glove box and remove anything that you might have inside. Now you're going to want to squeeze in on both sides of the glove box simultaneously so you can tilt it down, which will then expose the location of the cabin air filter. There's a tab right here that you have to push in on, and same on the other side. This whole tray will slide out, and there's the filter. Push on the filter upwards from underneath, and it should pop out. Okay, there's the old filter. Now take your new filter and make sure the direction of the airflow is in the correct orientation. There's an arrow and it should be pointing downward. Also, the reinforced edges should be on the left and the right of the tray, not front and back. Once this is seated, slide the tray back into the air box. Make sure that clicks. Now press the glove box up. Once it's locked in, put back all your belongings, and there you have it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.